I made all these slimes with this slime kit. Now let's get on to the video. Hey you guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys my slime collection. Now, I can't wait to show you guys. I didn't make too much, but this is still gonna be fun. Let's get on to it. Okay, so we're starting off with this beautiful cupcake sprinkle pink slime. And this is like a fluffy pink glitter slime. Now, let's get playing with it. Now this is a very stretchy slime, so I really like playing with it. It's probably one of my favorite slimes. Now let's get on to the next slime. Okay, now we're doing this beautiful galaxy universe slime, and this is a clear glitter slime. It has a lot of glitter in it, and this is probably one of my biggest slimes. And I really like this one too. This one is very stretchy and very pretty. This is actually probably one of my favorites too. I don't know which one's my favorite. Comment down below which one's your favorite. Now, time for the poking. Okay, on to my next slime. Okay, so now I am doing this alien green slime. I don't know what to call it, so if you guys can help me in the comments, that'd be lovely. And this is a green clear slime with like googly eyes in it. And this one was made a little ago, so it's not as stretchy, like it breaks more. But that's okay, it's still very fun to play with. It's just not as stretchy. Okay, now the playing. And if you hear that sound, that's because the googly eyes are moving around. And they make kind of like a squirmy noise. Okay, now for my two last slimes. Okay, so here we have an orange neon mango tango slime. This is actually my first slime that I made, and I think it's really pretty. It does not go in the dark, sorry about that, but that's okay, right? That's okay. And it's really drippy and stretchy, and it's probably one of my smallest slimes, but that's okay. It's still nice and pretty. And this is a really good slime. So if you guys buy this kit, please make sure to do it. That would be amazing. Okay, now on to my last and final slime. And after this slime, we're gonna be blowing bubbles and cutting stuff, and it's gonna be so fun. Okay, so here we have my foam crunchy slime. This one is called Blueberry Night Sky because I think the white foam beads look kind of like stars. I think it looks really pretty when you stretch it. And this is a clear slime, so you can't see through it. Now this was also like my second slime, I think so. So it's not as stretchy, but that's okay. Okay, now let's get on to the bubble blowing and the cutting and all those lovely stuff. Let's go. Okay, so first I'm going to be making a foam cube with this foam. So let's see how well this can turn out. I'll be right back once I make it. Okay, this is my foam cube. Now, it doesn't have too much foam, so it's not going to be that crunchy, and you might not even hear the sound, but we're still going to try this. Okay, so I got my knife, and let's cut this baby. Wow. That's amazing. I really love that. It just, the noise. And if you guys can't hear it, sorry about that. But I think it's like cutting up the foam beads and it's so satisfying. Okay, now for some bubble blowing. I think we're gonna be blowing this strawberry cupcake slime. If you guys can help me name it with a better name, that would also be very helpful. Just do it down in the comments below, and that would be very helpful. Okay, let's get my straw, and let's get blowing. That was a big one. Okay, now let's do some other slimes and see if they're better. Okay, let's do this very stretchy galaxy slime. That failed. Okay, one more time. I honestly love making bubbles. They're so nice and pretty. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please click that like button. And if you have the time, please subscribe. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to do it. Let's see if you can do it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Okay, if you guys did it, please write down in the comments, done. Okay, now I'm going to show you all the slimes that I just did. Let's go. Tango. Blueberry, I think it is. I don't know. Alien eyeball slime that I need to name. Strawberry sprinkle that I also need to name. Galaxy slime. That I might need to name if you guys can do that in the comments. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!